Well, now it's time to see what's trending online in our Trending on TWILA segment. We go online to see what you guys are talking about on social media.
The Paris attacks are the top trending topic on social media this week. From tweets and Facebook posts with photos and the hashtag #PrayForParis, Americans and Louisianians took to social media to show their support for the country and the families of the victims.
After the attacks, our Facebook newsfeed turned blue, white, and red as people changed their profile pictures to support France and the people of Paris.
As we told you earlier in the show, the Louisiana gubernatorial runoff election is upon us, and folks have been posting their opinions, various news articles, and showing support for each of the candidates across Facebook and Twitter.
The two candidates, John Bel Edwards and David Vitter, have ramped up their campaigns on social media, posting photos, videos, and taking jabs at the other candidate, all in a last-minute push to gain votes.
Another topic that's trending: Thanksgiving. With Thanksgiving less than a week away, many of you are celebrating early on social media by posting what you are thankful for and even showing photos of Thanksgiving meals with you, your children, and grandchildren.
Social media sites like Facebook and Pinterest have also changed the way we prepare our meals on Thanksgiving Day. From how to thaw, cook, and carve a turkey to side dish, dessert, and leftover recipe ideas, Pinterest is now the online go-to for holidays. In fact, the site contains more than 1.8 billion recipes.
Even more now, because we even created a Thanksgiving recipe board on our Pinterest site to help you plan your Turkey Day menu. To find a link, just visit our website at twilatv.org. And before we go, I wanted to share this photo posted Wednesday morning by Assumption Parish sugarcane farmer Gene Adolph. It seems like all we've been sharing from him are pictures of him harvesting in the mud and rain, but that's because over the past month, his farm has seen nearly 2 feet of rain. Adolph posted this latest storm dumped 3 inches of rain on his farm. Kristen, that was just overnight. So you can just about imagine how muddy and messy that field has to be.
It was terrible. I think it dumped that much rain all across the state of Louisiana yesterday.
Yeah, lots of folks are having problems.
Well, if you're online and you see something like that that's trending in agriculture, just tweet us or tag us with the hashtag #TrendingOnTWILA, or you can always send us an email at twilatv.org.
Well, still to come on TWILA, we go to Palm Bro to feast on agriculture at a landmark made for friends.
But first, it was once called peasant food, but Taylor Fry shows us why this dish is one we should be thankful for. The Ag Minute is next.